A Japanese secret to removing wrinkles naturally and effectively. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you an incredible Japanese beauty secret that has been used for generations. It's completely natural, super easy to make at home, and best of all, it's highly effective at reducing wrinkles and giving your skin a youthful glow. This natural remedy helps to smooth out wrinkles around the eyes, mouth, and forehead. Not only that, but it also helps firm up your skin's texture and fights off premature aging signs. So if you're someone who's been noticing fine lines or feeling like your skin has lost a bit of its youthful elasticity, this is definitely for you. Now, another amazing benefit of this remedy is that it helps eliminate dark spots and freckles, something many of us struggle with. It even works to brighten your overall skin tone and fade pigmentation over time. So let's dive right into what you'll need to get started. For this recipe, you'll need some raisins. Either yellow or black raisins work just fine. Raisins are actually little powerhouses of antioxidants and nutrients, and that's what makes them so good for the skin. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of raisins and place them into a bowl. Then, add 1 cup of water. Regular drinking water is perfect. What you want to do next is let the raisins soak overnight. This gives them time to release their nutrients into the water and soften up, which will help us blend them more easily later. Fast forward to the next day. This is what your raisins should look like after soaking. They'll appear soft, plump, and slightly swollen, which means they're ready to use. Now go ahead and put the soaked raisins into a blender along with the same water they were soaked in. Blend it until you get a nice smooth mixture. If your mixture still has some little bits of raisin skin or pulp that you'd rather not have, you can strain it through a fine sieve or cheesecloth. This step is optional, but it does make for a smoother texture. Why are raisins so powerful for your skin? Well, they're packed with antioxidants, which help repair cell damage and promote healthy, glowing skins. They also help in rejuvenating your skin, keeping it fresh and youthful for longer. This raisin water is known to be protective for skin cells. And it tackles the early signs of aging, like fine lines, age spots, and wrinkles. What's really special is that it also restores vital nutrients in your skin and helps fade those stubborn marks or dark spots over time. It's like a superfood for your face. Now, once your mixture is ready, make sure to store it in a clean, airtight container and pop it into the fridge. It can stay fresh for over a week, which is great because you can keep using it without having to make a new batch every single time. Just make sure you don't contaminate it with your fingers. Use a clean spoon to scoop it out each time. Let's move on to preparing the actual mask using the raisin mixture. Take 3 tablespoons of the raisin paste and put it into a bowl. Then add 1 spoonful of cornstarch. This helps thicken the mixture and gives your skin a smooth, silky finish. Mix that well so there are no lumps. Next, we'll add 1 spoon of milk powder. Milk powder is rich in lactic acid and vitamins that nourish and gently exfoliate the skin. Again, stir everything together until you get a consistent blend. Now for an added boost, we're going to include 1 spoon of vitamin E oil. Or you can simply break open a vitamin E capsule and add the contents. This step is fantastic for improving skin elasticity and reducing scars. Please don't forget, if you're enjoying this recipe, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and keeps these natural beauty tips coming. And lastly, add a few drops of jojoba oil. If you don't have jojoba, feel free to use almond oil, olive oil, or even coconut oil. This step helps moisturize the skin deeply and seals in all the good stuff we've added so far. Give everything a final good mix, and there you have it. Your homemade anti-wrinkle mask is ready to use. Make sure to start with a clean face before applying this. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils from your skin. Then, using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mixture evenly over your face, focusing especially on areas where you have fine lines or wrinkles, like around the eyes, mouth, and forehead. You can even apply it under your eyes, very gently. Just be careful not to get it into your eyes, of course. Once it's applied, leave it on for about 20 minutes. During this time, you can relax, listen to some music, or enjoy a cup of tea. After 20 minutes, rinse it off first with warm water to loosen the mask, and then finish with cold water to tighten the pores. Pat your face dry with a soft towel, and you'll notice right away that your skin looks more radiant and feels smoother. Seriously, the results are visible from the very first use. Fine lines appear diminished, your skin feels tighter, and that dullness is replaced with a beautiful, healthy glow. No matter your age, this remedy helps bring back that youthful freshness to your face. With regular use, your skin will stay firm, clear, and wrinkle-free. I recommend doing this twice a week for best results. Over time, you'll see significant improvements, not just in wrinkles, but in overall skin tone and texture. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this out, let me know how it worked for you in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.